Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make someone admin on Instagram group chat. If you're a current admin of the group, Instagram lets you promote another group member to admin. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Press on the paper airplane icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Once the Direct Messages section opens, click on the group conversation in order to open it. Then find the information icon in the top right corner and tap it. Scroll down until you see the list of all group chat members. Find the group chat member who you want to make an admin and hit the three dots icon next to that member. After that, choose the Make Admin option from the menu that appears on the screen. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make someone admin on Instagram group chat. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.